Welcome to our instructional video on solving inequalities. Today, we will be focusing on solving the inequality 5j plus 3 is less than 18. We will walk you through the step-by-step process to find the solution in both inequality and interval notation forms. Let's get started. To solve the inequality 5j plus 3 less than 18, we need to isolate the variable j. This means we want j by itself on one side of the inequality sign and everything else on the other side. First, let's focus on getting rid of the 3 on the left side of the inequality. Since it's added to the 5j, we'll do the opposite operation, which is subtraction. We subtract 3 from both sides of the inequality to keep it balanced. So, we start with 5j plus 3 less than 18. When we subtract 3 from the left side, the 3 and minus 3 cancel out, leaving us with 5j on the left side. Therefore, subtracting 3 from the right side means we take 18 minus 3, which equals 15. This gives us our new inequality, 5j less than 15. Now we can write this in interval notation. The solution to this inequality is j is less than 3 because if you divide both sides of 5j less than 15 by 5, you get j less than 3. In interval notation, this is written as negative infinity to 3. Remember, the solution includes all values less than 3, but not 3 itself. So to summarize, we've subtracted 3 from both sides to get 5j less than 15. In interval notation, our solution is negative infinity to 3. Now we move on to step 2 in solving the inequality 5j plus 3 less than 18. Our previous inequality was 5j less than 15 after we subtracted 3 from both sides. The next thing we need to do is isolate the variable j completely. Right now, it is multiplied by 5. To get j by itself, we need to do the opposite operation of multiplication, which is division. So we divide both sides of the inequality by 5. When we divide 5j by 5, the 5's cancel each other out, leaving j by itself on the left side. Now we need to do the same division to the right side. We take 15 and divide by 5, which gives us 3. This leaves us with the new inequality, j less than 3. Since we have now isolated j, we have our final answer. In interval notation, we express the solution as negative infinity to 3. This is because j can be any value less than 3, but does not include 3 itself. To summarize step 2, we divided both sides by 5, which simplified our inequality to j less than 3. In interval notation, this solution is written as negative infinity to 3. This completes the final step in solving the inequality. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.